If you've been exploring project management tools, there's a good chance ClickUp has come up in your search. It's one of those platforms that promises to replace multiple tools in your workflow, and honestly, comes pretty close. From task management and docs to time tracking and goal setting, ClickUp packs in a lot under one roof. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about ClickUp, its features, strengths, weak spots, pricing, and more. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, let's talk about what ClickUp actually is. At its core, ClickUp is a project management and productivity tool designed to help teams stay organized, collaborate effectively, and manage their work in one place. What makes it stand out is its flexibility. No matter if you're managing simple to-do lists or complex workflows with multiple stages and teams, ClickUp gives you the tools to build a structure that fits your needs. Now, let's talk about the features. ClickUp has everything your team might need: task lists, boards, Gantt charts, calendars, timelines, and even mind maps. You can adjust the views to fit how your team likes to work. There's also a docs feature that's great for keeping internal wikis or project notes in one place. Goals help you track important milestones so you can stay on top of progress. Plus, ClickUp has built-in time tracking and workload management. This makes it easier to see how much your team can handle at any moment. The automation tool is also a game changer. It lets you cut down on repetitive tasks by setting up rules and triggers, all without needing to know how to code. One of ClickUp's biggest strengths is customization. You can tweak almost every part of the interface: custom fields, task statuses, dashboards, and permissions. This makes it especially great for teams with complex processes or businesses that want everything tailored to their workflow. And it's not just for project managers. Marketers, developers, sales teams, anyone can use ClickUp because it's built to be universal. But with all that power comes a bit of a downside. ClickUp can feel overwhelming, especially for new users. There's a lot going on in the interface, and it might take some time to figure out what features you actually need. Also, while it has plenty of integrations, not all of them are as seamless as you'd expect, especially if your team relies heavily on external tools. Now let's take a look at its pricing. ClickUp offers 5 main plans. The free forever plan costs $0 and includes unlimited tasks and members. The unlimited plan is $10 per member per month, and the business plan is $19 per member per month. For large teams, the enterprise plan has custom pricing and includes advanced security and dedicated support. So overall, ClickUp is a strong choice for teams that want a powerful, all-in-one platform to manage tasks, documents, goals, and collaboration. It's not the simplest tool out there, but once you get the hang of it, the flexibility is hard to beat. If your team needs more than just a task list and you're willing to spend a little time setting it up, ClickUp is definitely worth a look. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.